Hey everybody, Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Videos. So today is actually day 10, and another correction, I have pulled out to date at the start of this video, at the end of day 9, I had pulled out 299 buckets worth of dirt, which is just under 8 cubic yards of dirt. So in today's video, we should be able to get all the way to the plumbing pipe, like right up next to it. So I do have to cut some roots, and I do have to get a big piece of iron ore out of the way. But other than that, as long as I don't run into anything else in this last little stretch, it should just be all about digging, bucketing, and getting it out of there. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Stay tuned for more. Let's get into the clips. All right, 9 buckets down, 27 more to go, and I just had breakfast, so I'm full but energized. So let's get back into the clips. Like, share, and subscribe. Questions in the comment section. All right, so my battery is about to die, so I'm gonna go ahead and film me a little bit pulling out these next 9 buckets. And so this will be a total of 18 for the day once I pull these out and dump them in the back of the truck. So like, share, and subscribe. Questions in the comment section. Enjoy. All right, everybody, that's about gonna do it for today's video. So if you like this content, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Check out my other videos if you have questions, or drop your question in the comment section. But just to recap, so I've gotten to where I can like see everything and measure things. And so I just got done with my little cheap, standard Bosch laser level. And I was able to put in some wooden stakes. You can see this one behind me here, right there. And then I put another one, I was able to get it as far back to just behind where I'm gonna tie into the sewer. I'll show you that in a different video. But I was able to determine that I can actually take a straight line shot between both points, essentially a straight line. I won't have to put any like elbows, any kind of elbow, 90s or 45s or nothing. And so I'll be able to do a straight run, and it's an exactly 30-foot span distance. And across that 30-foot span, I have exactly 12 inches of drop between the bottom of this sink pipe, drain pipe, and the bottom of the basically the sewer toilet, the T. It's got an end on it, and so to the bottom of that end I can unscrew that pipe end, hopefully that little cap, and so that's where I'm measuring to, the bottom of both of those pipes. You can measure from top to top or bottom to bottom, it really doesn't matter as long as it's common points. It kind of matters a little bit because the pipes are different sizes, but nonetheless I have 1 foot of drop between these two pipes over a 30-foot distance. So I'm gonna do a little bit more research. That should be enough to get the flow, over there, especially if I make sure to support my pipe underneath the house. That way it doesn't have any dips or anything, and it's just like a nice smooth drain line. And that'll get it into that sewer, and then that sewer actually got grade to it as well. I can see it as it's going out of the house. So I might end up doing a little bit more digging, but I'll probably just start working on, at least thinking on how I'm gonna tie these together and working on that. So we'll start seeing some different videos besides just digging, but there might be another dig or two. And there might be quite a bit more digging if I get into it. I'm like, I got to do something different with the washing machine. I'm about to go check it out on the outside of the house where it comes back in here and see exactly what it's doing. I just can't remember when I was last messing with it. So again, hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share, and subscribe. Appreciate y'all. And that's going to be a wrap. Bigfoot out.